In this video, I want to show you how to make public profile on Snapchat. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing, simply open up the Snapchat app and make sure you have updated and logged in your Snapchat account. And after that, you need to simply tap on your Snapchat profile. Then once you tap on this one, you need to simply scroll down below so you can see there's a public profile section, and you can see create a public profile. And this is the new feature on Snapchat which allows you to make your profile as a public. So you need to simply tap on this one, and once you tap on this one, so now you need to simply tap on the get started. So you will find a pop-up menu where you can see the informations about creating a public profiles. So you can simply tap on the create. So you can see the profile successfully created, and you need to simply once again tap on my public profile. And once you tap on this one, so you can see the page here, and all your spotlights and snap stories will be displayed here as a publicly. So with the help of this process, you can make your Snapchat account as a public by using this method. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to get the more informative videos regarding a Snapchat app, so keep subscribe this channel and turn on bell notification icon to get more latest video updates. Thank you so much for watching.